you guys how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. You have a lot of things which you can do with this AI application. First off, this is just a simple AI chatbot which you can pretty much just ask the AI any question. At the top here, you can go ahead and ask, or let's say ask the AI anything that you want as it relates to math, anything at all. So let's say, for example, I'm ask the AI what's the fastest animal in the world. It should be able to give me a response. As you can see here, this is the AI response. And you have a lot of things. You can give it a like, you can copy this message, you can even leave a star as your favorite message here, and you can pretty much share it as well and also delete it. So that's really pretty much it for that. And you have some other features here as well. So you have the characters which you can speak with. You can tap on the see more option here and see other characters which you can speak with on this application. Chat section here, you'll be able to speak with multiple different characters. As you can see here, you have a friend, you have a teacher option, you have a lot of different characters which you can speak with. If I do tap on the expand option, you're going to see more as well, and they do specialize in different things. So do keep that in mind. So down here, you're going to see all your recent chats or pretty much any contact you have with these AI characters here will be shown here. You can always scroll across and delete the chat if you want. And if you want to continue the conversation, you just tap on the chat and you'll be able to continue the conversation. So if you're going to talk with any one of these AI, you're going to need to know how to talk with them. So you tap on the plus icon here, you'll be able to upload images, files, pretty much everything as you can see there. And over here, you'll be able to send a voice note as well. This application here is very smooth, not gonna lie. As well, use this application here to solve math problem or pretty much any problem of homework that you have. You can use with this application here to solve it. So all you do is just tap on this option here where it says solve, and it will just ask you access to your camera and so forth. All you have to do is just take a picture of the math problem or any problem as it relates to homework or schoolwork. You'll be able to solve it using this application here. So very simple. Tools option here, you have a lot of different AI tools which you can use with this application here. As I said, you have the math problem which you can use. You have the image generation feature or generator feature. Here you can pretty much use this option here to create AI images. As you can see, all of the describe what you want to create. You have the styles which you can choose from. You have the lighting, as you can see here, a lot of options which you get. You have the styles as 7:4, and you have the aspect ratio as you can see here. So very easy to use, and that's pretty much it for that section. You have the summarize option here, and you have a lot of different tools which you can use with this application here. You have the sports option here as well. As you can see here, will give you plans based on your information that you have entered here, and will just create a routine for you. So you have different tools which you can use. You have the grammar options. I can go on and on all of these tools which you can use with this application here. As I said before, you'll be able to see a level option. This will pretty much just show you how often you use the application. Since you're pretty much on a 1-day streak, and you unlock some other features which you can create your own AI chatbot, and also unlock limits as it relates to you messaging these AI chatbots. So nothing much for that. It's the subscription for this application. You'd have to tap on the option up here. Do make sure you're signed in, or you won't be able to find the subscription page. So once you have selected that, you tap on this as again, that settings option, and again, you'll be able to see the upgrade option here. So just tap on that here, and you'll be able to see their subscription. You do offer a 3 days free trial as well, so you can see here everything that you'll be getting as it relates to their subscription. And your monthly subscription, a weekly subscription, and a yearly subscription, as you can see. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you guys in the next one.